What's up, Nova Nation? This is your girl, Vana SUPERNOVA, and in this corner of the YouTube universe, we discuss everything wellness, productivity, and lifestyle. So if that's something you're interested in, please stay tuned. Today, I'm super excited to share my juice fasting journey with you all. Ready to see how I make my delicious detox juice? Let's dive in. Really had the energy to pick up the camera and actually show some of the stuff we're juicing. So today we're doing fresh strawberries, pineapples, carrots, mango, kiwi, and nectarines. I put a little bit of ginger and 1 lemon in there. The ginger for GI and then the lemon for preserving the juice for the next 48 to 72 hours. Although all of our juices have been drunk in a 24-hour period. We haven't had some that we've had to actually store for a long period of time. So I'm actually going to start juicing now. This is my Amumu. That's the name of it. It's called Amumu. I got it from Amazon. And she's a trooper. She's been doing really good juicing up everything we've thrown at her. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Before we start juicing, a little backstory. I'm currently on my weight loss journey, and to kick things off, I decided to do a juice fast. My husband and I are doing this together, taking it week by week, checking in regularly without putting too much pressure on ourselves. It's all about detoxing and setting the stage for a healthier lifestyle. Who's with me on this journey? Drop a comment below if you're considering a juice fast or if you've done one before. This is what it looks like as you fill it up. It's self-feeding, so all you gotta do is throw in your fruits, lock it in. Let's break down the powerhouse ingredients in our detox juice for today. First up, we have strawberries. High in antioxidants and vitamin C, they boost our immune system and promote healthy skin. They're also a great source of fiber for digestion. Next, we have pineapples. They aid in digestion. Bromelain have an anti-inflammatory property and are rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin C and manganese. Carrots are high in beta-carotene, which support vision and immune function. They're also great for digestion and have antioxidant properties. Mangoes provide vitamin A and C, support gut health enzymes, and keep us feeling fuller longer with their fiber content. Kiwis are packed with vitamin C and vitamin K for immune support and bone health. Plus, they aid in digestion with fiber. Lemons help detoxify the body, boost our immune system with vitamin C, and balance our body's pH levels. And let's not forget, they also help preserve our juice. I keep mine for about 72 hours. And last, we have nectarines, high in antioxidants and vitamin A and C. They protect our bodies from stress and support our skin and immune health. What's your favorite ingredient to juice? Let me know in the comments. I know for me, if it don't taste good, I ain't drinking it. As you can see, I'm feeding everything into my new Amumu cold pressed juicer that I purchased from Amazon, which I'll link down below. Of course, this is not sponsored, but I do feel like this is a great juicer, and so I'll share that with you all. It does have a maximum amount of fruits and veggies that it could support in the hamper. There's a line to let you know where to stop. Cold pressed juicers are fantastic because they retain more nutrients and enzymes compared to regular juicers. I do still have my old juicer that I used previously for my juices, but I wanted a cold pressed juicer because I never had one before and I've heard amazing things. I didn't want to break the bank, so the Amumu fit the bill. Look at those vibrant colors blending together as I pour this out. It's like a rainbow in a glass. I can't wait to taste this one. They say juice the rainbow, so you don't want to just go with only one type of drink. You'll want to juice different types of drinks. They all have different benefits and provide different nutrients. And there you have it, Nova Nation, a delicious and nutritious juice that's perfect for detoxing and energizing your body. This juice not only tastes amazing, but also gives you serious nutrition boosts. Ready to try it? Let me know how it turns out for you. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, this journey is about embracing healthier lifestyle and feeling your best. If you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and recipes. Join me on this journey and let's support each other every step of the way. Until next time, stay motivated and shine bright.